Hey guys, I am Sadaf and in this video I'm going to show you where to get Adobe Photoshop and how to install it into your computer. So let's get started. Photoshop is an application of Adobe Inc. and it's a paid subscription. So to get its subscription, we go to adobe.com. Once we are on the website, you just click on Creativity and Design and click on Photoshop. Here you will see two options. Either you can click on free trial or buy now. These both options will take you to the same page. I will click on free trial because it lets you try Photoshop for 7 days at no charge. Once you are on this page, there are a couple different options to buy the subscription for Photoshop. You can either buy Photoshop individually, which is $20.99 monthly, pretty expensive. But if you look at the middle plan, it's Lightroom plus Photoshop only for $9.99. Even if you don't use Lightroom, it still is cheaper if you get this plan. Then there is this third option, which is for $52.99, but it includes all applications of Adobe. This is more suitable for those people who use quite a lot of applications of Adobe like Premiere Pro, Illustrator, After Effects, etc. I will choose the middle one and click on Start Free Trial. Next, this page opens. On the right side, it's the summary of what you're purchasing. And on the left hand side, it's gonna ask you to enter your email, then create your account. I will recommend you to create an account on Adobe because eventually they are going to make you create an account. So once you enter your email, the next page opens and here you will put all of your payment information. You can also use your PayPal if you have it to buy the subscription for Photoshop. After you enter all the payment information, this next page asks you to set up your password. So I set up my password and it takes us to the next page. Here you see the option where it says Open Creative Cloud Desktop app. So the first time you download any of the individual Adobe app, you automatically download the Creative Cloud for your desktop. Creative Cloud Desktop app lets you access, download, and update any of the individual applications of Adobe. Once Creative Cloud Desktop app is installed into your computer, this is what it looks like. Here you can see all the applications that Adobe has to offer. This is basically one spot where you can install any applications of Adobe, update any applications whenever they become available. You can also make any changes into your profile. I will just find Photoshop and start installing it into my computer. And this is what the Photoshop looks like when it is first installed into your computer. The method of installing Photoshop in Mac and Windows operating system is similar, but if you come across any problem while installing, feel free to comment underneath this video and I'll make sure to reply. We will take a tour of Photoshop interface in the next video, but before I sign off from this video, there are a couple of important things that I want to mention. First off, Photoshop is installed and run into your computer just like any other desktop application. Secondly, Photoshop is installed directly onto your computer, so you do not need an ongoing internet connection to use it. An internet connection is required only the first time when you need to buy the subscription and install the application into your computer. Another important thing is that Adobe releases the updated versions of its applications every now and then. But you can continue using the current version of your application as long as you have an active membership. So you do have the flexibility of when and if you want to update or install a new release. Lastly, once you get the subscription of Photoshop, you can only install Photoshop on 2 devices simultaneously. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.